Welcome 7th class in your English class, and today we will study one more poem of our honeycomb book, and the name of this poem is The Rebel. So let's start our poem. The rebel has short hair. The rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a story, the rebel goes to the meeting. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. Okay? So now, students, we saw in this poem that a rebel is a person who always jealous of you. So he always oppose you and disagree with you. But according to the poet, a rebel is very important in one's life because he always oppose you and encourage you to do much better in your life. Okay? So don't disagree with a rebel and don't be regret for its life. Now move to the question answers and exercises. According to the first question, here are some questions as question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now have a look on the answer. As the first answer is, the teacher would scold the student who would not be dressed in the school uniform while coming to the school. Second answer is, when everyone wants a clear sky, the rebels wants the sun. Third answer is, if a rebel has a dog for a pet, the others are most likely to be cat lovers. Next answer, it is good to have rebels because they are different and they teach us to be able to accept and tolerate differences. Okay. Next answer is, it is not good to be a rebel oneself because the society never accepts a rebel and always criticize his behavior. Now move to the last answer. I would like to be a rebel because a rebel is able to think individually rather than following the herd mentality. However, it is not easy to be a rebel as the rebels are always critiqued by the society for their different behavior. Okay, now move to the next question. According to the second question, find in the poem an antonym for each of the following words. Okay, so these are the words and you have to write down these opposite words. At the long, short, grow, cut, quietness, disturbance, sober, fantastic, lost, find. Next question please. According to the third question, find in the poem lines that match the following. Read both one after the other. There is the one line and after that you have to read out that and you have to learn it. Okay, as first line belong to the second one. As the first line is, the rebel refuses to cut his hair. That means the rebel lets his hair grow long. Second line, he says cats are better. It matches with the he puts in a good word for dogs. Next is he recommends dogs. It matches with it. He has a preference for cats. Next is he is unhappy because there is no sun. Its second line is when everybody is greeting the rain. Fifth line is he is noisy on purpose. Its second line is when nobody talks during the lesson. Okay, now move to the again next question. There are two short answers. Okay, its first question is what does the rebel do when everybody talks during the lessons? Its answer is when everybody talks during the lessons, the rebel becomes absolutely silent. Second question is why does the rebel choose to wear fantastic clothes? Answer is when the rebel sees everybody dressed in uniform, the rebel chooses to wear fantastic clothes. Okay guys, so these are the question answers. You have to note down these question answers, opposite words and lines also in your English notebook, and you have to learn it properly. We will meet again. Till then you have to stay home, stay safe. Bye bye. Thank you.